Ready to pass the AZ-104 Azure Administrator exam? This guide breaks down exactly what you need to know. In today's multi-cloud world, the AZ-104 Azure Administrator certification is a foundational credential. It proves you can actually manage Azure environments, not just talk about them. With Azure holding a major share of the cloud market, employers are looking for professionals who can configure networks, secure identities, and deploy real infrastructure. Passing this exam can significantly impact your career, with certified administrators earning salaries ranging from $95,000 to $135,000. It's your ticket to a high-demand role. So, what's on the exam? The AZ-104 tests 5 core skill areas. The largest portions are compute and virtual networking, each making up 20 to 25% of the questions. Next are identities and governance, and storage, both weighted at 15 to 20%. Finally, monitoring and maintenance accounts for 10 to 15%. You'll face 40 to 60 questions in 120 minutes, including multiple choice, build lists, and case studies. Understanding this breakdown is the first step to focusing your study efforts effectively. Let's dive into 2 critical domains. Managing Azure Identities and Governance means mastering Azure Active Directory, from users and groups to role-based access control, or RBAC. You must know the difference between an owner and a contributor. For compute, the focus is on virtual machines, including sizes, disk types, and availability auctions, like availability sets and zones. You'll also need to understand serverless auctions like Azure Functions and container services like AKS and ACI. These are the workhorses of Azure. Next, you'll need to master storage and networking. For storage, understand the difference between blob, files, and other storage account types, as well as access tiers like hot and cool. Networking is a huge topic. You must be able to design virtual networks and subnets, filter traffic with network security groups, and connect networks using VNet peering or a VPN gateway. These skills are essential for building secure, scalable, and resilient cloud infrastructure. They form the backbone of any serious Azure deployment. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Our guide provides a structured 10-week study plan. It starts with fundamentals like Azure AD and Governance in weeks 1 and 2. Then you'll move to storage and networking, followed by compute resources. The later weeks cover advanced topics, monitoring, and final prep with practice exams. Microsoft recommends 10 to 15 hours of study per week for 2 to 3 months. This plan organizes that time efficiently, ensuring you cover every domain with dedicated hands-on lab time built in. Theory alone won't get you through the AZ-104. This exam demands practical, hands-on experience. The best way to get it is by doing. Microsoft offers fantastic free resources, including the Microsoft Learn Sandboxes, which provide temporary Azure environments without needing a credit card. You can also sign up for an Azure free account, which gives you a $200 credit for 30 days plus a year of free services. Use these to build projects, break things, and fix them. This is how you truly learn. Ready to start your journey to becoming a certified Azure Administrator? The full 10-week study plan, detailed breakdowns of every domain, hands-on lab ideas, and exam day tips are all in our complete guide on openexamprep.com. Plus, you can test your knowledge with free practice questions right now. Click the link to read the full article and take the next step in your cloud career.